Hey everyone, Charles here with Rocky Mountain ATV-MC, and today I'm going to be showing you how to install the Tusk front center accent light on your 2024 and newer Polaris RZR XP 1000. So this has integrated turn signals in it. That's the big benefit of it. It looks really good. It's a factory look. You've got that white running light, and then the turn signals have that amber color to them. And you can get this as a kit if you want, but today we're just focusing on the accent light. It's a really simple install. Let's go ahead and get started. The first thing we need to do is gain access to where we're going to mount our accent light. So we're going to start with the hood. We have our center hood cover that has two T40 Torx screws in it. We'll remove that. And then two covers on each side, those just pop up. And then the main hood panel has 4 more Torx screws in it. And with those out, we'll pull it out of the way. And then this front cover, there's gonna be some Torx screws that you're gonna remove. We're just pulling them out of the top so we can pull this back and gain access to the mounts on the back of your stock plastic cover or stock accent light. Then we have this cover for the radiator. I'm gonna loosen up both of these bolts. And we'll pull this front cover forward just a little bit. And the radiator cover, I'm gonna pull that back out of the way, and that's gonna give us access to this mounting hardware. So we've got 3 nuts on here that we're gonna loosen up and remove. And if yours is not a plastic cover and it's the stock accent light, you want to disconnect it from the power. And with all the nuts removed, we can go ahead and remove it. Now to install the new accent light with the integrated turn signals, we need to route these wire leads up through the cutout in the plastic. So we'll pull those through, set the light in place, and then reinstall, or actually install the new 3 nuts that came with it. And I'll put that radiator cover back in place. And from here, so we had that stock power connector already hooked into our original accent light. But again, if you have that plastic cover, this is just gonna be taped up out of the way. So you're gonna have to find this and untape it, and then you can connect it to your accent light. Now for the 2 turn signal leads, this yellow one is for the left turn signal. The green one is for the right, and we're not covering wiring these up today. We've got a separate signal and horn kit video that you're going to want to check out if you need more information. And then from here, you can go ahead and reinstall all the hardware in this front cover and install the grill. And that's it for installing the Tusk front center accent light with integrated turn signals on your 2024 newer Polaris RZR XP 1000. If you have any questions, leave those down in the comments. And if you need to pick one of these up, you can find them on our website. Just click the link in the description below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you want to see more helpful content like this. I'm Charles with Rocky Mountain ATV-MC. Thanks for watching.